with another video. Welcome to Tashstyles, where we indulge in beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Yes, and as you can see, I'm very happy today because I am doing an unboxing, and this was supposed to come from April, guys, and it is just coming now, right? So for that, I am very elated, and I want to let you guys see what I got. Now, definitely, guys, I'm gonna be transparent with you, and I'm gonna let you know that I did check the package before because I want to make sure that everything came, and they did, and I'm happy. So I'm gonna do this unboxing for you today. Now, these are some nail tools, and that's why I'm so excited, because you should know I love beauty stuff, and as you can see, my nails, you know they need some love, guys. They need some love. So this is definitely something I want to do, right? So if you are new here, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and if you are a resident subscriber, thank you, big up yourself, you know what I'm saying? So let's jump into the video, no further ado, right? So guys, I'm truly sorry for the background noise, but we don't let that stop our show over here, right? So this is the package, guys, and as I told you before, I actually opened it because I wanted to see if everything was there. So since it's open already, we're just gonna tear this apart, and we're just gonna get into the stuff. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now let's see, cause like, guys, I'm tearing stuff here. I'm too excited. I'm ripping stuff here. Okay, so first in the package, right, is the gel polish. There are some very small bottles. Let me see if I can get this, and I don't want it to fall out, but they're very small bottles. But what happened is, as you can see, two old in, let me get that, so two, okay, and I counted them, and I think it is supposed to be 24 in all, right? So I get two top coats and two base coats, and they're all gel polishes, right? So yes, we're going in fast, right? So the next thing, guys, and I'm just gonna grab something, right? So the next thing would be the UV gel, right? So this is basically like acrylic, but it is a gel, so you would have to use the UV light to dry it and to set it, right? So yeah, girl be listen to me, listen. Anyway, so the next thing is a small, let me see if you can see that. Next thing is a small pack of clear nails. Now I have nails, but never too much, definitely never too much, right? And let's see, okay, let's see what's this. Oh, so I got three. Let me see if I can get these out so you can see. So I got three of these, guys. Now these are like for, what the hell is happening here? People, come here. What one is okay, okay, because I was about to lose it. Okay, guys, so this is it, you know so let me just get those out of the way, and let's get into the rest of the package. We ain't wasting time here. No, we ain't doing that. Okay, so we get a little brush, to brush up the nails when you're buffing, and there is a little dust and stuff there. We get some petty toe separator. I guess you know, you put that between your toes when you're polishing, so you don't, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Anyways, let's get into the video. The next thing is, let's see what this is. So this, it says on the box, sorry guys if you're not seeing, it says on the box cuticle revitalizer oil. So I guess you put this around your cuticle, you know, after, you know, doing those nails, after slaying those nails. Yeah, you just, oh, you know what I'm talking about. You know. Anyways, let's go. Okay, so I got this. Okay guys, so I got 3, you know, and as usual, you can't have enough of those. Definitely can't have enough of those. So I'm just taking out the smaller stuff to get to the bigger stuff, guys. Like, wait a minute. Wait, you'll see. Let's go. Okay, so these are, oh my, let's see if you can see that. Yeah, so these are basically stickers that you put on your nails to design them, you know, and I always love getting those, definitely. And these are tip guides. Okay, so as I said, these are, not sure if you're seeing, but they are nail tip. Basically, if you're making that smiley face, you're doing French nails and stuff, and you want to get that really good straight and curve, like really perfect curve, that would be the thing that will help you guys. So okay, so let's go over here. Also, these are, let's see if you can see that. So basically these are alcohol pod. No, I have list down, so don't come for me in the comments. Okay. Anyways, so guys, these are alcohol pad stick, basically to, you know, wipe off the nail, you know. So these are, yeah, yep. Let's go. We're digging in the bag. So, oh, I should tell you guys that it did come in a plastic bubble, so that is a definite plus for me. I'm sorry I didn't say that earlier, but I'm really, you know, really impressed with the packaging, how they sent the stuff. Now I got a 4-way buffer. You call it a block buffer. Now this is, as I told you, this is mostly for gel polish. So this, yeah. And I got some glitter. You seen that, guys? I got some glitter. I got some strips. These are the little strips you can put on your nails. Yeah. And some other like beads and stuff. So, you know, trick that nail out, make that nail fly. Yeah, definitely that is the aim. Now, other smaller stuff is in the package, but guys, I can't wait any longer. One of the main stuff I got, and I'm really happy I got it because yeah, I needed it, you know, I needed it, and I'm happy it came. I checked it, it's working. I'm sorry I won't plug it in for you guys right now, but I checked it and it's working, and I'm really happy. Like, I am happy. Baby good. So guys, this is the drill. As you can see here, this is the drill. And okay, so basically you would get it in there like that, you know, plug it in, and then, you know, you turn it on with this and this stuff, and this would be where you gauge it to how fast and how, you know, much speed you want on it, much power. Right? So I don't got nothing to say. Like, what? This is my kind of thing. And you get a stand as well. And you know guys, they package these stuff really good. I should tell you, they package these stuff really good. Everything came in their separate package other from the, you know, smaller things you saw there, you know. So this is the stand you would put it on to rest it on. And yeah, so let me put this down somewhere. Let's see where. Let me put this down over here. And we're going in. We're going in. Okay. So guys, let's see what left is left. So I got, this is a cuticle pusher. So you know that tool you push back the cuticle to clean it up, you know, to get that, you know. And this is a trimmer to get all those dead cuticles away. Okay. So they did send some drill bits, and that's cute. I have some, but you know, never too much, right? Because when they wear out and stuff, you always want to have some backup, right? Yeah. So guys, we get some, y'all supposed to know what this is. So basically this is a sculpture file strip, right? You place it around your fingers to basically sculpt the nail from scratch. Well, I am really thankful and grateful they sent everything that was supposed to be in one more of those in the package. I got a glue as well. Okay, and let's see here, what's this? What's this, guys? What's this? Okay, so again, packaging, and I really love how they package every single thing in their separate packaging. Right, this is the charger. Let me get this stuff out. Now these guys, oops, anyone know what this is in the comment? Let me know in the comment section. I think it is supposed to be like when you're soaking off the fingers, but I'm not sure. So guys, if you do know what this is, let me know in the comments, right? Yeah, let me know. Okay, and no guys, I've been waiting for this, right? I had a smaller one and it got damaged, you know, and yeah, so I got back a UV light, guys. Yay. So you know, we're not gonna do them, you know, because what happened is this dries your nail, even if it's not the gel polish. If you're doing polish, girls, and you know polish easy fit mess up, easy fit smudge, easy fit everything, right? So with this, bam put her hand under it, dry it, girl, good girl, slay all day without polish move. You see what I say? Yeah. So this is it guys. As you can see, the bottom can come off. I'm sorry for the light if you're not seeing it so well like that. Yeah, that's it. So guys, I ain't saying nothing more. You're gonna see. It's summer, and those nails that are looking so desperate will be popping. Yeah, I think I'm losing it today. Definitely losing it today. But you know, guys, you know, beauty is one of the things I love a lot. You know, and anything to, you know, spruce up yourself and to, you know, show yourself at your best, that is me. I love those stuff, right? And you'll see a lot more videos of me unboxing of beauty products, you know, stuff like that. I haven't done a haul as yet, guys, but check it out. Wait for it. It is coming. You will see a haul from me soon. And as you know, guys, I always love doing reviews on these products, you know, to let you guys know. So in case you feel like you want to get some, sorry guys, in case you feel like you want to get something, yeah. Now guys, these are very affordable. Now I am not being sponsored, you know, I'm very new, I'm very small at this moment, but they're very affordable. I purchased these on AliExpress. A lot of persons, some persons don't really like to purchase on AliExpress, but so far my experience with them has been very, very great. Right, so guys, today I guess these persons don't want me to be great because they're making so much noise in my background, but we ain't gonna let that stop our show. Right, if you are new here, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, okay. And if you are a resident subscriber, yes, thank you, love the family, love the support. Continue supporting, continue liking, commenting, and sharing me out, so you know it helps my channel to grow. Okay guys, so please go ahead, like the video, comment on the video, because this helps my channel to grow, guys, and I want to grow with y'all. So get it going, guys. You know, I try my best to support. You know, whenever I can, I go on a video, I watch it, I try my best to watch it full video. So guys, try, and I know, try to watch my videos even halfway, please. I will be very, very grateful and appreciate it. Okay guys, thank you so much. Now this all is basically over, so you know what that means. Peace, I'm out. Mwah.